Hello everyone. Today I created an Ask Me Offers report on Power BI. To begin with, what is Ask Me Offers? Ask Me Offers is your go-to destination for unlocking exclusive deals, discounts, and savings across a wide range of online stores, with a mission to make our online shopping experience more affordable and enjoyable. Ask Me Offers offer a comprehensive platform where users can discover latest coupons and promotional offers, whether you are shopping for fashion, electronics, travel, or anything in between. Ask Me Offers has got you covered. By partnering with leading retailers and brands, AskMeOffers ensures that you have access to the best deals available, helping you stretch your budget further. This is about AskMeOffers. In this report, I've created 3 pages, which are AskMeOffer Review, Analysis, and Insights. To begin with, AskMeOffers Review. I've taken top reviews from AskMeOffers site based on 4 charts, which are reason, helpful, highest to lowest, lowest highest. These are all the first review which I got from the review section based on their shorts. And let us jump into another page, analysis. In this report, my task, I've analyzed the coupons on Kapiva and Beardo on both websites. I could get that the average discount ranges same on both the website, which is 60%. Available vouchers on Kapiva is 25, on Beardo 27. I created 2 visuals for Kapiva as well. Beardo, clustered bar chart to show Kapiva vouchers by discount percentage, average of Kapiva percentage by Kapiva coupon, Beardo vouchers by discount percentage using clustered bar chart, average of Beardo person by Beardo coupons. You can know if with 22 average of Beardo percentage 55%. And here you can see on with 22 as well as Beardo 50, Kapiva 70%. And let us jump into our last page, which is insights. Here is the insights, analysis of Kapiva coupon performance, analysis of Beardo coupon performance, included introduction, key findings, implications, and the conclusion. Same for the Beardo, introduction, key findings, implication, and conclusion. That's all about my Ask Me Offers report. Thank you.